So if you've ever looked at the pull-up bars and gone, how on earth am I ever going to do a full pull-up, then this machine is going to be really, really useful. It's called the assisted chin dip because it helps us with our chin dips, but it's also great for practicing our pull-ups. The way it works is, so if you're doing a pull-up, you're doing it body weight. Whatever you weigh, that's the weight you're pulling. This helps to counterbalance that, just to make it slightly easier, giving you a little bit of a lift. So if somebody weighed 100 kilograms, you could put maybe 50 kilograms onto the machine and it would just half the weight and just help you get up. The idea is then, as you get more efficient at the movement, as those muscles start to grow, you can take the weight off, and then gradually you are just doing body weight pull-ups, and fantastic. You can also do it with the chin dip as well. So I'll show you first the pull-ups. So you're going to get onto the platforms here, holding on to the bars. You're then just going to nice and gently place your knees onto the pad, and they're just going to drop down with your body weight. Nice grip, pronated grip with the hands. And all you're going to do, make sure the arms are nice and extended. You're going to pull up, head or chin above the bars and back down. Squeeze the bum, engage the core, like so. To get off, don't take both knees off because it will just shoot up and make a lot of noise and everyone will look at you. So I would just gently bring it back up, then you go down. So I had 40 kilograms on there helping me kind of go up and down. I would then, if I felt confident with that, I might take it down to 30, down to 20, just gradually lower it until I'm doing my own body weight. The other movement you can do in this is the chin dip. So again, you're going to jump on, place your knees onto the pad. This time, make sure the arms are nice and straight, shoulders are rounded down. You're going to dip, 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 dip to the chest is by the bars, in line with the bars, and push up. Send those elbows back, elbows back, elbows back, and up. Same idea, that weight is really helping me get to that position. It just helps to teach, okay, what are the movements, what do I need to engage, and eventually you'll just get stronger and stronger and get on the pull-up bars.